Hello everyone, my name is Tracey-Ann Adonis. I'm an academic, a lecturer in the Department of Psychology at the University of the Western Cape. It is absolutely my privilege to be with you today and to just share a little bit of a distinction between what is undergraduate and postgraduate. What does the terms refer to? Well, you know, when I was at primary school, then I was at high school, and then I went to university. So the different levels and how the levels have also changed over time. Like when I was at school, you used to go to primary school, and that was like from sub A, sub B, and then you go to standard 5, and that was primary level. And the secondary level would be when you were in standard 6 and you go to matric. And then that would be your secondary level, and it was also in the school's names as well. And the school that I attended was Kensington Secondary Senior School, and then you proceed to tertiary level, which is at university or a technicon, as when I was a student. I mean, these distinctions have changed over time because as you are aware that you now get a foundation phase, which is your grade R to grade 3, and then you get your intermediate phase, which is grade 4 to grade 6, your senior phase, which is grade 7 to 9, and then you get a further education and training phase, which is grade 10 to 12, and then you get your higher education phase when you pursue post-school studies and you attend a university. So that is just how those things have evolved over time, and the different terminology that you actually. So sometimes people will say, no, I'm at a tertiary institution, and you're talking about a university, and some people say, no, higher education, then you also referring to a university. So what is undergraduate? To get to the crux of the matter, is that is your very, very first degree that you undertake at a higher education institution, such as a university. All right. So when you are studying for a bachelor's in education, or bachelor's in arts, or a bachelor's in science, or bachelor's in commerce, and the term bachelor's is also very interesting. In preparing for this particular segment, I came across what bachelor's actually referred to, and it had nothing to do with being single or stuff like that. It actually refers to baccalaureus. The term is actually baccalaureus, right? And so you have a baccalaureus in arts, you have a baccalaureus in education, a baccalaureus in science, or baccalaureus in commerce. And what the term actually refers to, it denotes the term, it's some folk tale where it refers to a laurel berry, and the laurel is actually the awards and the accolades you receive for academic success. So your very first degree, your baccalaureus in whichever field that you wish to pursue, is going to be your undergraduate degree. So whether you were first year, second year, or third year student in that particular program, then you are an undergraduate student. So that is the first year that you were a student at university. All right. Now, when you pursue postgraduate study, then you must have completed an undergraduate degree in order to go into a postgraduate program. So your postgraduate program would include like your honors and masters and higher. So that is just a little distinction between the terms that you come across. And I wish you all the success, and I hope that you will pursue your academic career at higher education level, and as undergraduate students, and then as postgraduate students. Because remember, education is something that no one can take away from you. So it is once you have it, you will always have it. So thank you so much again for the opportunity, Jill. I really appreciate it, and I trust that this was useful.